I'm Jody Miller. I am the Manager of Client Success at TruNorth Dynamics. TruNorth Dynamics is fully engaged in the Dynamics platform. We work with Dynamics Business Central and the Power Platform products. Well, to our company is we get out here amongst the customers that we love, bringing our own customers as well as meeting new customers, and of course the partner community as well. So we get to learn and we get to engage. So the DUD community certainly allows us remote partners across the U.S. to come together once, twice a year in different locations, learn and grow together.